Troublemaker.
What the fuck, call me Dizzy, yeah.
Oga Clef, Mr. Producer.
What the fuck,
What the fuck?
This is rap. It's been a long time coming from the jungle. I had no choice that to pull up cause I struggled. I put my soul in the grind and my muscle. Alone there till I don't buy, I want on my bubble. You want to share for me, a ball shit on. You give me access to greatness, keep my quid done. So now you say, person we also will go. But at time, Baba God, show gratitude to your love. So many things I don't pass through, I can't say. It's for the daily bread that we grind the whole day. So many people out there where they want pay. My people still they also man, they can't see it done. As I live my life, I know say go be one day where things go change in my life like an update. Motion push little Baba wag bitch. I know me kira or me don't kill a charge. I'm a lot money make us sanity mo baja. Go to Wally in here, go then it matter. Bruno come me, I fit to fake waga. Where the money day, show no machine, I be faga. You do me better, this I swear I no feel like you. I give you position, I food, I no feel buy you. Oh yeah, nah, even say I never buy you. Oh, you me tiri, but mo shock me a die you. I'm thankful. I dey hustle every day, I dey see result. I'm thankful. When we go for the day, you dey be with us. I'm thankful for the life that you gave me that I will live. Still balance on my rib, on my sleeve. Things you do me too deep. I'm thankful. I dey hustle every day, I dey see result. I'm thankful. When we go for the day, you dey be with us. I'm thankful for the life that you gave me that I will live. Still balance on my rib, on my sleeve. Things you do me too deep. Shout out to the people where they believe in my hustle. So many times I see shoot but no boku. Oluwa shanu wakawa no le ramosu. I believe in you, that's why I just wanna call you. Oju mi ti return in the grant mo wa yo. Kò sẹ́ni tó rí mi nígbà tí mo mú gàrí o. Ìwọ ló lànà ilé wípé ká má gbà yo. Enemies tó tún fẹ́ gbógun wà láyé má dá yo. Bàbá jẹ́ kí n gòkè mo fẹ́ máa pàṣẹ lọ bí ọba. Mo mọ̀ pé kò easy ìwọ gangan ni mo sábà. Make we shut down everywhere, Yankee even Canada. Sweat in my eyes, that's why people thought I'm like a child. No be play, I gotta do this for my family. Do this for the team and the people where they follow me. All I have is one life and I just wanna live long. Think about the yard day, so it's better you stay strong. I'm thankful. I dey hustle every day, I dey see result. I'm thankful. When we go for the day, you dey be with us. I'm thankful for the life that you gave me that I will live. Still balance on my rib, on my sleeve. Things you do me too deep. I'm thankful. I dey hustle every day, I dey see result. I'm thankful. When we go for the day, you dey be with us. I'm thankful for the life that you gave me that I will live. Still balance on my rib, on my sleeve. Things you do me too deep. I'm a hard type, so you don't wanna fuck with. This one is a banger, so you can't afford to stop it. I should be your teacher, so today is the topic. Oh my goodness, giving flows like a forfeit. It's all over the world, you gonna hear the budget. This one a reality, I'm a no be toucher. You know 247, she banking on my corridor. Cause I got the juice and I told her not to worry more. She said I'm bad, but I told her not to cry. She's a tall girl though, but she told me not to fly. I go down on my knees, all I tell her that's why we got to pray to God every day just to take away the past. We killing them is ability you give unto me. Enemies are swallowed up, so I gonna cover for real. All the people where they feel me, how they feel now for real. And the people when they see me, I don't see you now, so chill. Dizzy, what the fuck,
Oga Clef, Mr. Producer.